The Insta360 Ace Pro series has gone through a rapid transformation, evolving from a relatively new entrant into one of the most influential product lines in the action camera market. Not long ago, action cameras were seen as simple, rugged tools designed mainly for extreme sports like surfing, biking, or snowboarding. Today, that perception has completely changed. These compact devices are now capable of producing high-quality, cinematic footage, making them a serious option for content creators, vloggers, and even professional filmmakers. This shift didn't happen overnight. It's the result of continuous improvements in sensor technology, AI processing, and overall camera design. And now, with growing rumors around the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, it looks like another major leap forward is on the horizon. What makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 particularly exciting is the speculation surrounding its sensor. Reports suggest that it could feature a much larger 1-inch sensor, something that has traditionally been reserved for premium compact cameras rather than action cameras. If this turns out to be true, it would be a huge step forward in terms of image quality. A larger sensor allows more light to enter the camera, which directly improves clarity, dynamic range, and overall detail. This is especially important in challenging lighting situations, where smaller sensors often struggle. With the Insta360 Ace Pro 3, users may finally get a device that combines the toughness of an action camera with the visual performance of a high-end compact camera. The focus on sensor quality has always been a defining strength of the Ace Pro lineup. While many competing action cameras rely on smaller sensors that tend to produce noisy or flat-looking footage, Insta360 has consistently pushed for better imaging hardware. Previous models already delivered impressive results with their larger-than-average sensors and 8K video capabilities. The jump to an even bigger sensor in the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 would take this to another level, allowing for richer colors, better contrast, and more detailed footage in both bright and low-light environments. It's essentially about capturing more information in every frame, giving creators greater flexibility during both shooting and editing. Another major factor that sets the Ace Pro series apart is its collaboration with Leica. This partnership isn't just about branding, it plays a significant role in shaping the overall look of the footage. Leica's expertise in optics ensures that the lens delivers high-quality results with natural color reproduction and pleasing contrast. Instead of the overly processed look that has been common in many action cameras, footage from the Ace Pro series tends to feel more organic and cinematic. This is particularly noticeable in skin tones and landscapes, where subtle details and textures are preserved rather than flattened. Low-light performance has traditionally been one of the biggest weaknesses of action cameras, but Insta360 has made significant progress in this area. With the introduction of pure video technology, the company has shown that it's possible to capture usable footage even in dim conditions. This system has been further enhanced with the addition of a dual AI chip, which acts as a real-time image processor. It analyzes each frame as it is captured, reducing noise while maintaining detail and sharpness. The result is footage that looks clean and clear, even in situations where older cameras would struggle. This makes the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 particularly appealing for creators who shoot at night or in indoor environments. Ease of use is another area where the Ace Pro series stands out. One of its most distinctive features is the large flip touch screen. Unlike traditional action cameras that use small front-facing displays, this screen can be fully adjusted to face the user, making it much easier to frame shots accurately. This is especially useful for vloggers and solo creators who need to monitor their composition while recording. The newer versions are expected to feature an even more durable hinge and a brighter display, ensuring that the screen remains visible even in bright sunlight. The addition of a removable lens guard also adds an extra layer of practicality, allowing users to replace it easily if it gets damaged. Video resolution is another area where the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 is expected to shine. While 8K recording was once seen as more of a marketing feature, it is now becoming genuinely useful for creators. The ability to shoot in 8K provides an incredible level of detail, allowing for more flexibility in post-production. Users can crop, zoom, and reframe their footage without losing quality, effectively giving them more creative control. This is particularly valuable for action shots, where it can be difficult to perfectly frame every moment in real time. In addition to high resolution, the camera also includes smart AI-driven features designed to simplify the editing process. The AI Highlights Assistant, for example, automatically scans footage to identify key moments, saving users the time and effort of reviewing long clips manually. This is especially useful for creators who produce content frequently and need to streamline their workflow. Instead of spending hours searching for the best shots, they can focus more on storytelling and creativity. Stabilization is another critical aspect of any action camera, and the Ace Pro series delivers impressive performance in this area. Its flow state stabilization system ensures that footage remains smooth and steady, even during intense movement. Whether the camera is being used while running, cycling, or performing fast-paced activities, the resulting video looks controlled and professional. The addition of horizon leveling further enhances this effect, keeping the frame aligned even when the camera is tilted or rotated. This level of stabilization reduces the need for additional equipment, making the camera more convenient to use. Battery life and charging speed are also important considerations, especially for users who rely on their cameras for extended periods. The Ace Pro series addresses this with one of the fastest charging systems in the industry. Being able to reach around 80% charge in under 25 minutes is a significant advantage, allowing users to quickly get back to shooting without long interruptions. The batteries are also designed to perform well in extreme temperatures, making the cameras suitable for activities like skiing or mountain climbing. This level of reliability is essential for users who need their equipment to perform consistently in challenging conditions. If everything comes together as expected, the Insta360 Ace Pro 3 could redefine what users expect from a compact, rugged camera. It represents a shift toward a future where action cameras are not just tools for capturing moments, but powerful creative devices capable of delivering professional-level results.